Hello everyone, this is Russell. I wanted to post an unboxing video of the Dell U4320Q 4K monitor. I just got it today and I haven't seen any videos posted yet, so I thought I'd show everybody what it looks like. So this box is so big, I've had a hard time getting everything fit into the screen, so bear with me. It's a pretty heavy monitor. So we've got a display port cable, a power cable, a USB 3.0 to USB-C cable, an HDMI cable, and a USB-C cable on both ends. Also some mounting hardware. So I guess this is a stand. This is the other part of the stand. And probably have to tighten that on the bottom. Looks good. And for a big reveal, this is not a light monitor. Best part about it though is the screen real estate. As you can see on my desk, I've got two 27-inch monitors that are not 4K, and I decided I wanted to go to one. So it's going to be great. I'll be able to have 4 windows open, or 4 different programs open on one screen, and there are a few different configurations I'll go into later in another video. As you can see, we've got 3840 by 2160 resolution. And I'll try and show you the ports here on the bottom. We've got two HDMI ports, and then 2 display ports next to that. Then a USB-C connector, which I believe will power your device, and output for sound, and then 2 USB 3 or 3.1 ports as well. Oh, there's also USB-C and USB 3.0 or 3.1 on the side. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.